Today's February 2nd.
Yes, it is.
This is our trash bin got knocked over last night. This is our town, Rolling Meadows. I don't know why it looks about like 2 feet now. What, right?
17.1 inches.
Okay, 17. Okay, so 20 inches. Let's take a trip to the back. Come on.
Hi, Ricky.
Alright, so this is Pete, my dog. He tried to go through that, no way. Okay, so basically, I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's a snowbank. Snowbank. My backyard. There's a deck over there. I'll have to put it up when there's no snow here, and you'll be like, holy crap, there is a deck there. So those are our bushes. Obviously, there's no way we're going anywhere. Our plows don't even come down our street now. We're freaking out, man. Later.